What is up, guys? YouTube Jared 333 here. I have a brand new thing I want to review. It's a Blackweb Bluetooth CD player. Brand new. FM CD, audio input and programmable tracks, built-in power cable, stuff like that. Let's check it out. Let me open it up over here. I don't want to get any of this on the bed. Okay. I see you. Hold on. Alright, so we got it here. Oh. Nothing else in the box. We also got this really cool flashlight with it also. Boom. Boom, boom. Big difference. Very powerful light. Alright, so take these things off here. Put in the box later. And you got a instruction manual. And this is wrapped in plastico. Man, look at that. Let me take a thumbnail. Oh, I have it backwards. There we go. Focus. So you get the volume here. Volume tuning here, I'm sorry. And you got a thing for a CD player, brand new. So it has that paper in there. Probably not going to use that because I bought this mostly for the radio. You can put the batteries in here. Push this to open it up. I might have to take this out first. I'm not sure. It says on the box that it comes with built-in. Oh, it has a built-in power cable. Okay. So we got a button here for. This is just showing it has Bluetooth, power, stop, and this is the. Hold it up like so. Carry it around. And you have the on, off, FM, Bluetooth. So when you take this off, there's a power cable and there's the power for the batteries, which I'm gonna get the batteries tomorrow so you can play some music in the car, because that car doesn't have any radio, unfortunately. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace out. Check links in the description.